Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. As you all know, it is a place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you. And today I advise you all to put on your headphone for better experience. So, as most of us working from home, and it's been a quite a long time now, it's a time to enhance our knowledge, as most of the business schools across the world offering online courses, be it a MBA or health management, on whatever skill that you want to upgrade to. And it is a time that we should upgrade our skills and climb the corporate ladder, as nowadays online is the way to go, and we all managers must constantly reinvent ourselves to match the competitive market these days. Executive education programs are typically designed for working professionals who have maybe more than 5 years of experience, but the number of experience also depending upon the types or the specialization that you want to take. So these days is the time that we should utilize in the field of business management, international business, financial health, or maybe the healthcare management, which is the really coming fast, as most of the business schools are offering wide range of executive education courses to help working professional and add to their skill set and promote career growth. Even corporates are also encouraging their employees to pursue part-time MBA programs with a lot of affiliated universities, or maybe the finance programs like IFRS, etc. These programs will benefit both us and the companies. What attract to do executive education is the vast exposure that you will get from the renowned faculty and the professional, and as per the industry stalwarts. In short, executive education will help to build your career by adding to your CV, help you to get global exposure. You can study while you work, gives you a ground of experience and a chance to solve real corporate challenges, help you to develop business acumen, and the most important, network and learn from professionals around the world. As today, due to pandemic, most of these courses coming through online, as educators and students meet online. If you search for a course you like to pursue, go to the web and can find it out many. Meanwhile, some of the popular ones are, let me tell you, first, strategy management, management consulting, finance leadership, online marketing, and then human resources and healthcare management, very in vogue. In today's world, most of the executive education are delivered mostly through online, and this rapid change to promote learning has encouraged some of the universities to consider adding more online and hybrid offering, which could make certificate and graduate program more accessible and affordable also, as now many foreign universities are also offering online courses in India with full validity, and many business schools are also stepping up with the video lesson that are offer actionable takeaway for handling the crisis. And unprecedented crisis has led to the unprecedented search of free learning opportunities by the world tops universities. In a pandemic strikes the world, outstanding leadership and innovation is badly needed, so these high quality courses will give you everything, tools and strategy to combat this crisis. As this pandemic has shaken the higher education sector, forcing the institution to rethink how to deliver quality education more flexibly, and executive education is no exception. Now, tell me about some executive education like traditional MBA offered by major universities and institutions in India and outside India. With the digital mode, and some online courses are in great demand, like language courses, digital marketing courses, data science courses, finance management courses, content writing course, programming course, graphic designer course, data visualization, IoT, Internet of Things, machine learning. cloud computing, blockchain, project management, web designing, photo management, and leadership and management skills. And government of India also providing some online courses like from NASCOM is offering free AI and data science courses, and from the HRD there are some UGC courses material. AICTE also providing online courses on management, and private institution like the TCS offering global certification programs, even Harvard offering two online courses on business science, health and technology, and Google also offering various courses too. An online portal Coursera also offer many online courses with certificates printing option too. So, among the many other benefits that I have discussed earlier, these courses offers a really considerable rise in the corporate ladder both in terms of designation and the salary package. But one needs to juggle between the work and study, but at the end it is all worth it. And there is no age for learning, and start with short courses before you commit for a long haul. So friends, if you like my thoughts, give a huge thumbs up to my channel, comment it, share it, and subscribe it. Till I meet next again, bye for now.